Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Are you tired of the standard TikTok app where you see limited content that's not very engaging and always leaves you wanting more? You know what I mean, right? Well, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to download TikTok Plus 18 in a simple and easy way for any mobile device. To do this, we'll use a fantastic tool you can find in Google Chrome. This is my recommended way because it's completely ad-free and super easy to access from any browser. You'll see the link and all the details to access it here on the screen. It will lead you to a post full of information about this app, and believe me, it's very straightforward. In this post, you'll find a small table mentioning that the app size is only 23 megabytes, practically nothing like TikTok Lite. There will also be a download button. When you click on it, it'll take you to Mediafire. As I said, there's no advertising. It's entirely free and very user-friendly. Once there, don't worry if you get a warning saying the file might be harmful. It's just an APK file that lets you get the app for free. Just go ahead and click Download anyway. After downloading, click on the file to install it. The app doesn't require any special permissions, which means it's safe. All you need to do is hit Install and wait for the process to finish. Even if Google Play Protect blocks it at first, just click Install anyway, and it'll work without any issues. Once installed, open the app. To verify your age, you'll only need a Google account. Any Google account works. With it, you'll confirm that you're of legal age by downloading any app linked to the Google Play Store. For example, you can pick an app like Supermarket Simulator, a simple game. The app will ask you to install and run it for about 30 seconds. Click on the app and it'll redirect you to the Google Play Store. If you've already installed the app before, you can uninstall and reinstall it or pick another app. Depending on your location and time zone, the apps available might vary, but the process is always simple. Once you complete this step, you'll have access to TikTok Mod, where you can enjoy exclusive, uncensored content. Now, all that's left is to sit back and enjoy the free content waiting for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.